Yo guys, Leggy here and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing the second week of the daily dividends. So let's get into a bit which I went into last week, which is just telling you guys an overview. I'll put a timestamp if you've watched this before and then you can just skip into the main part of the video. So what is this? So firstly, I'd like to thank the daily dividend. Firstly, I'd like to thank the Dividend Experiment for making this pie and also making videos. So what's the main difference between our two series? One, I'm going to be adding money, whereas he has put the initial investment of £400 in, whereas I'm going to be continually adding to the pie. £400 is the minimum amount of money you need to add to the pie in order to hit the threshold of every company to receive dividends. So obviously if you have underneath that, that's absolutely fine, but you wouldn't probably have the whole point of the pie, which is to have the almost daily dividends, which you do with £400. And again, like I went into in the last video, if you do want to watch it, I'll link it here. If you had £1,000 in, that normally would give you a daily payment of 14p. So you're not going to see that in my actual pie in this video, because if you think about it, so there's a date which you need to hold the stock for before it pays out the dividend. And obviously, because I haven't been doing it for that long, I haven't hit the ex-dividend date for a lot of companies, so I'm still at the very starting stage. As the weeks go on, you'll see more dividends being paid though. So what were we on in the last video? So we were on £485 roughly, just over. I'll stick it up here. Although we had £20 of that sitting in cash, which I have topped up now. I'll explain what happened. And we had 2 pence paid in dividends. So just over 2 weeks has passed. I'm hoping that, after the next couple of weeks, dividends will really start coming in. But we're now at £615.20 within the pie. £580 of that is actually invested within the pie, whereas the other little bit is just waiting to be used. I will add more as soon as we get paid as well. We're just at the end of the month now, so we are approaching that. I will add more. Why is it higher than last time? On different apps, I was holding Man United. So basically they dropped to their lowest point in absolutely ages, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to buy some. It worked out well. They went up about 40%. Well, more than that, but 40% up is where I probably, just went to sell it. I was like, I'll move on to the next investment. That's absolutely fine. Don't want to be greedy. Don't want to hold it all the way down. What has happened? Basically, the Glazers have announced that they're going to sell Man United, and that's why I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna. So glad being a Man United fan, because I absolutely hate the Glazers, but I decided to just sell and take the profit. And then instead of reinvesting on those apps, I took it out and put it on Trader 212 and added to this. So that is basically where the extra money came from. Also, as I said earlier, dividends are up to 10 pence. I am hoping that soon that will really start cracking in. But that is today's update, guys. If you do have any questions, I'd love to do a bit of Q&A at the end of these videos in the future. If you do have any questions, just literally say down in the comment section down below. I know someone said, why aren't I using an ISA? So the answer to that one is I actually already hold an ISA on a different app. I actually hold an ISA already in a different place, so that is why this is why this is the way it's being run. With that, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.